I just spent in bouldering farm. I looked over to my back. I see a cocoa seed, a glow room, and another glow room. Cherry blossom. Let me get the money real quick and buy all of these. So let's buy the glow room, the glow room, cocoa, and cherry blossom. We'll save these for tomorrow. Since this I soon will have. So I got the 1 million somehow. And then, or 2. The kiwi. Better get the kiwi. And then, so for 180 points. So at 160 points, you actually can get the. You can actually get. But I don't want the gilded nectarine. I want a gilded, guy. No, gilded other fruit, whatever. Anything good. I also need these. Anyways, let me go showcase my garden. Yeah, I bought a new skin. I have 3 floors, but I did not unlock any of them. Besides the second floor, yeah, I unlocked the first row. Let's check here, here's my first row. Composter. And there's my capybara. Right over here. This page actually starts looking cool. And there's the soil quality. So range 10 trillion. Why? Why? Just realized. You have to upgrade on me also? It's just unfair. That's quite unfair. Let me get the money real quick. I need to upgrade both of my. And there we go. Now that's right. Now, these. Oh, I'm not gonna go there. So, you can check my garden there. You can notice some seeds. Yeah. So first we have the glow shoots. Second, 2 rush roots. The 3, 4 rush roots. Tomatoes, more glow shrooms. Beanstalk. Then there's plants you must ignore. Glassweed, moonflower, saffron crocus, garlic, cherry blossom, apple, tomato, glassweed again, apple again, golden apple this time, glassweed, glow shroom, cinnamon, spiked rambutan, whatever it is. Yeah, and then there's the seeds you must ignore completely. Okay, now we have to get cocoa, horn melon, blood orange, and apple. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Anyways, that's already my garden. My garden. I guess for now. Bye.